Okay, I've had a couple of you ask some questions on how to do the composition problems on day 3 in your packet. So the first one we're going to talk about is find g of h of -2. So you're going to work from the inside out. So if you're working from the inside out, the very first thing I want you to do is look at what you are having on the inside of this problem. The inside of the problem is h at -2. So you're simply going to grab the h function, which is equal to x minus 6. And every place you see an x, you are now going to plug in -2. So that's going to give me -2 minus 6, which gives you a -8. So if this gives you -8, now you're simply going to do the next thing. That means that h at -2 is -8. So now you're going to do g at -8. So now I'm going to take the g function. This thing does not like to write very nicely. Sorry, guys. I mean, let's be honest. My handwriting wasn't great before. It's even worse on here. So g of x is -2x squared plus 3x minus 11. So you're going to go ahead and plug in a -8 for x. -2 times -8 squared plus 3 times -8 minus 11. So this is going to give you -2 times 64 minus 24 minus 11. So this is -128, -24, -11 to give you -163. And you work from the inside out. So this is how you do this problem whenever you have a number. Well, what happens whenever we don't have a number, like the one previously to this problem? Well, that means you're going to work from the inside out. So this says to do f at g of x. Well, what is g of x? G of x is defined to be this right here. Yes? So you're simply going to plug that in for x and the f function. Well, with that being said, f is defined to be this right here. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to write down what f is. So now every place you see an x, you're going to plug in that expression. So that's going to give you -4 parentheses -2x squared plus 3x minus 11 plus 12. Then you're going to simply distribute and combine like terms. So this is going to give me 8x squared minus 12x plus 44 plus 12. So 8x squared minus 12x, and then 44 plus 12 is going to give you a 56. That is how you do composition.